Hi, I'm Lokoso Sylvain, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 most important life mastery books in my library and why you too should get them. If you have followed me for any length of time, you discover that the reading has been a part of my constant growth. But today, I'm just going to show you 6 of these most important books when it comes to life mastery. There is not much that you can achieve except you master life and everything that comes with being a living soul. This cuts across your mind, your spirit, soul, and of course, freedom. The number 1 of this book is Mind is the Master by James Allen. This 850 pages book contains 19 different books across different topics, including the most famous, which is As a Man Thinketh in His Heart. James Allen is one of the pioneers of personal development and using your mind to get results despite appearances. After his death, his family compiled these 19 books into one titled Mind is the Master. It is a very important book to read if you seek to master your life and lead a very good life. The second most important life mastery book in my library is Money Master the Game. Money Master the Game talk to you about your personal finance, your mindset when it comes to your personal finance, how to get out of that mindset even when you come from the poorest background. It shows you strategies and tactics to become rich in your own way. As we all know, money, personal finance, and financial freedom and confidence is one of the most important aspects if we must live a good life. So the book teach you on how to invest your money and make good profit out of it no matter where you are in life. The third most important book in my library is Who Moved My Cheese. Every day we blame government, parents, teachers, and systems for being responsible for our missing cheese, whereas we are the ones who don't know where the cheese is going so that we can follow them. We think the cheese is not movable, which is absolutely wrong, because indeed this cheese move. What then is the cheese? Cheese is life situations, changing economies, new regulations, industry changes, and every other change that come in life. The only constant thing in life is change, because it always happens whether we are afraid of it or not. But this little book teach you how to move so that you not be left behind and suffer in life because you remain indifferent while things keep changing. So Who Moved My Cheese is one of the most important books in my personal library. The fourth most important book in my personal library is Think Like a Monk. Think Like a Monk is written by J. Shetty. To live a life of mastery requires that you adhere to some natural laws, which include the things you think on, your attitude towards disappointment, your attitude towards business, your attitude towards family, and every other thing that surrounds you. How to live a calm life in a noisy world. How to be calm and stop overthinking and overreaction when it is very needed. This is a book I recommend for anyone who wants to live a life of mastery like a monk. The next most important book in my library right now is Think and Grow Rich. I have 2 copies of this book in my library. I just show you the revised and expanded version, but I also have the original version of Think and Grow Rich in my library. This book is the book that made the largest number of millionaires since it was launched. If you have read Think and Grow Rich or any of these books, please comment below and let me know what you think of on the one you read. And if you have read Think and Grow Rich, please let me know your comments about it. Without much explanation, Think and Grow Rich is a book that you must read if you must be successful. The number 6 most important book in my library right now is The Richest Man in Babylon. Just like Think and Grow Rich, I also have 2 copies of The Richest Man in Babylon in my library. I got the first copy when I was 17. So I read it over and over again until the book tore. So I have to get a new one so that I can keep on reading this book. This book is very important for your financial self. You need to learn the ancient wisdom of saving, investing, and building wealth if you must lead a successful life. And this book is the foundation of many of these things that you will do to build your wealth. So these are the 6 most important books in my personal library. Don't forget to subscribe. I show and teach you on personal finance, business and personal growth, and how to make money online opportunities. By liking, commenting, and subscribe to this channel, you also help me spread this message further and faster. It also encourage me to do more of this kind of video. Don't forget to ask your question in the comment section so I will answer you either directly or through my next video. See you in my next video.